Hey guys, welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel. Today I'm doing a quick video on 3 ways that you can tie in mini clusters into your garland. So the first method that you can use is a 260Q, and what that looks like is you're going to tie a mini cluster to both ends of the 260Q, as you can see me doing here. This will give you an easy way to attach 2 clusters at the same time. So you're going to figure out where you want your clusters to lay, and then you're going to wrap that 260Q around the balloons where you want to place your clusters. Wrap it around a couple of times, and then you can move that second cluster either up or down or whichever direction you want it to lay. Now the second method that I like to use, and this is my personal favorite, is the neck to neck method. So you're just going to search for a neck in your cluster, and then you're going to take the neck of your mini cluster and tie those two together, as you can see me doing here. This method may take a little bit of practice, but once you get it, you'll be good to go. You can also use a rubber band, so you're just going to wrap it around your mini cluster and then wrap it around the balloon where you want your mini cluster to lay. This is a pretty straightforward and easy method as well. That is it, you guys. Now you can find links to some of the products that I use in my bio. Please leave me a comment telling me what your favorite method is, and you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.